Right there you see Times Square, the intersection of 7th Avenue and 47th, which is right near where I'm staying this time. Let's turn in, and right here you see the Palace Theater. Right now they're showing the Lost Boys musical. Turning away from Times Square, heading east, and you're gonna find OYO Hotel. It's connected to the Serendipity ice cream shop. They make crazy desserts there. See, there's Serendipity. You see that sign? You're gonna be right here next to the hotel. Let's go into the hotel and have a look at the lobby. Here is the west elevator. They have two major elevators, but they're very close by to another. One there, and see, as you enter, you're entering Serendipity 3 over here. Here is the east elevator. They provide a red "Please do not disturb" placard that you can put on the outside if, say, you're napping in the middle of the day and don't want staff to come in. You can, in fact, control the temperature in your room quite easily. Here's the top light. There are lots of outlets in this room. Unfortunately, they don't hold plugs very well. Very few of the plugs really stayed in there. Probably if you had a 3-prong, it would stay in really well. But I checked all of them, and there were some of my plugs that just would not stay. They're just loose. They're just loose. These plugs are loose. They just fall out. It's unfortunate. I was able to make use of this plug right here to charge my phone, because I had a cord with the appropriate plug in it to keep here on the bedside lamp. Switches here and for the reading light here. Here next to the bathroom door, there's a full-length mirror. And inside, sink, large mirror, towel rack, toilet, and a similar shower setup as elsewhere. Now take a look here. See, it's off. You switch it and it turns on. Okay? There's no mildly increasing the water as you go. You turn it on, it comes on. But you can adjust the temperature here. Be careful not to set it too high because you can get very hot temperatures here. But that's less of the case here in this room, in room 711, than it was in my room my first night here. Slightly surprisingly, the television in this room is a little bit smaller than the one in the smaller room that I had my first night here. But it works. And you know what? After a long day walking around the city, sometimes you just want to come back and look at a little TV. Right next to the front door is a closet with a safe, iron, place to hang clothes, and back here, ironing board, and a clothes rack. Overall, I'd say that OYO or OYO or however you want to say it, it's well within the range of what you can expect for a New York City hotel room here in Midtown. It's got a great location. It has some handsome things about it. This room, the rooms seem to have been relatively recently updated, so they look reasonably nice. Like I pointed out, the plugs are a little bit of an issue in this room, in room 711. You have to be careful with the temperature in the shower because it can actually get too hot if you're not careful. There was a little bit of a confusion one day when I came back to the room. The trash had been taken out, and so I assumed the entire room had been done. So I took a nap. Well, then someone from staff came in, tried to come in the room. I had the bar on, so they didn't make it in, but that was a little bit troubling. There was a miscommunication on their end. It had nothing to do. They had actually finished the room. There was just a miscommunication. They didn't realize they had finished the room. So that was a little hiccup. The fact that I couldn't really get all my plugs to stay in the outlets could have been an issue on another trip. If I was on a trip where I was doing more video than I was doing on this trip, that might have been a real problem. Would I stay here again? Well, maybe. I wouldn't purposefully not stay here because I didn't like it. I liked it fine. But, every time I try to stay at a new place. just so I can get the lay of the land. And maybe there will come a time when I have stayed at all of the places that are in my relative budget, and I just start going back to the same places I've been at before, but that hasn't happened yet. So hopefully this video has been helpful for someone who is considering OYO or OYO. I'm gonna have to look up how to say it. I'll put it right here. Put it right here how to say it. West elevator is beating the east elevator. Oh, west elevator is paused. Here comes the east elevator up from behind. Oh, east elevator's set to win. And we're heading over to the east elevator. Ta-da!
Going down.
Thanks for watching.